Rajkot, a land of immense opportunity where we can say that the sun of development rises every day but doesn't set at all. It is the land where your dreams of money making get fulfilled in the higher speed than you expected. The amazing fact about Rajkot is that the literacy rate of the city is 80.6%, even higher than the entire national average. But when it comes to the economical literacy, that means the economical sense of every citizen of Rajkot city is more than 100%. The city is rightly recognized among the fastest growing cities of the world over. There are certain reasons behind the higher growth of Rajkot city, like the city has received 28 crore World Bank aid that has fueled the infrastructural development of the city. The economy of Gujarat state is heavily contributed by more than 3,000 industries of the city. Some of them are patronized by Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation (GIDC). In a nutshell, if we consider and count the real estate market, the diesel engine, bearings, cutting appliances, jewelry, automotive parts, forging industries, casting industries, machine tools, share market, and software development industries make the present of Rajkot the brightest. And looking at it, we can forecast the golden future. These are the reasons that make Rajkot known as the land of opportunities. The land of opportunities is also known for its revolutionary real estate industry. When someone purchases a company's stock certificates, one looks for appreciation in stock value and perhaps dividend income if it is paid by the company. While in bonds, one looks for income yield on the interest rate paid by the bonds. Compared to any other ways to get the maximum return, real estate investment realizes a superior return on the investment. When there is a question of better way of investment, specifically in Rajkot, it is proven by the years that real estate is the best. In Rajkot, the rise of bourgeoisie class and the overall development is the result of real estate investment. The significance of real estate investment has uncountable reasons. One who wants to excel his life by economical growth just needs to steal off a deal. Real estate investment becomes the choice without choice for one and all. The growth of Rajkot is seen in all over the directions, but it is also evident that the west side of the city has emerged as the most accelerated side for the growth. The west is best among all the directions of the city. The prime locations of every sphere of life like economics, social, political, or educational are developed in this side. The growth of the real estate investment reached to almost 33%, that is higher to any other sector's growth in Rajkot. When it comes to the lists of rich persons like the Forbes Top 10 or any other, the persons who are in real estate business, the ratio of their names appearing becomes even more than any other businesses. A gratifying journey to Jagdish Park. Come along. The strategic location of Jagdish Park, about 6,000 square meter, with about 100 square meters for each plot, situated at the west of the city of Rajkot, is selected with the insight of making the investment in the appropriate direction, where the land is nothing but your chance to have a golden opportunity. Jagdish Park, an attractive invitation with. Jagdish Park is located at Kalawad Road. Jagdish Park is situated between the Rajkot city and GIDC Metoda, a hub of Saurashtra's industries. Jagdish Park gives a golden opportunity to the investors who want to invest their money in real estate with their competitive budget. Keeping in mind the 30% urbanization ratio that is going to be increased to 50% in next few years, the land rate of Rajkot would keep increasing. The proposed third ring road passing through Munchka, Saurashtra University, is also falling very near to Jagdish Park. The area that is near to everything you desire, starting from the life-supporting needs to the places of recreation. Even Jagdish Park is located at amongst the well-versed educational institutes developed in recent years. Some of them are Takshashila Engineering College, Parimal School, Bharatiya Vidya Mandir, and also Modi Residential School. The developer of Jagdish Park, Piyush Mehta, has been a trusted name in Rajkot. He has been one of the developers of artistic residential of Prakriti Upvan, located at Khirisra, in around 100 acres. He has also been one of the developers of high-rise twin Tirth Tower, located at Nyari Dam Road, with its 4 BHK royal living. His Trackspare India is in the market for last 15 glorious years.
જગદીશ પાર્ક એ રાજકોટ શહેરમાં મારી રિયલ એસ્ટેટની દ્રષ્ટિએ 7મી સ્કીમ છે. સૌથી પ્રથમે રાજકોટમાં વુડલેન્ડ પાર્ક, અતિથિ પાર્ક, ફાર્મ હાઉસમાં મેં પ્રકૃતિ ઉપવન 100 એકરની અંદર બનાવેલું છે. ન્યારી ડેમ રોડ ઉપર 10 માળના તીર્થ ટાવરના નામે ઓળખાતા 2 ટ્વીન ટાવર ઊભા કરેલા છે. તેમજ અન્ય 2 મોટા મહુવાની અંદર રેસિડેન્શિયલ પ્લોટોની સ્કીમ કરેલી છે. જ્યારે કોઈ પણ નાના અને મધ્યમ લોકોને કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ પ્લોટ લેવા હોય તો તે પ્લોટનું લોકેશન, આ પ્લોટનું તેમના ભાવ પ્રમાણે એમનું તાત્કાલિક કેટલું એપ્રિસિએશન મળે અને ટાઇટલ ક્લિયર હોવું જોઈએ, એ અગત્યની વાત છે. દરેક પાસાઓને આવરીને મેં જગદીશ પાર્કનું આયોજન કર્યું છે. જગદીશ પાર્ક એ ઈશ્વરિયા રેવન્યુ સર્વે નંબર 80ની અંદર છે અને નાના અને મધ્યમ રોકાણકારો માટેની એક આ સુંદર મજાની સ્કીમ છે. તેમની અંદર રાજકોટથી એકદમ ખૂબ જ નજીક છે, ટાઇટલ ક્લિયર છે અને પોતાના સ્વપ્નનું ઘર બનાવી શકે એવી આ સુંદર મજાની એક સ્કીમ છે. જગદીશ પાર્ક એ ઈશ્વરિયા કે જે એજ્યુકેશન હબ તરીકે તાત્કાલિક ઊભું થાય છે અને કોઈ પણ રોકાણકારોને પોતાના રોકાણના 33% દર વર્ષે એપ્રિસિએશન મળશે. પણ મારું તો એમ કહેવું છે કે આ જગદીશ પાર્કની અંદર 33% કરતાં પણ વધુ વાર્ષિક એપ્રિસિએશન મળશે તેવી મને ખાતરી છે. મારા અનુભવ પ્રમાણે તમે જો જગદીશ પાર્કની અંદર તમારું રોકાણ કરશો તો તમારા ઘરેણાં છે એ લોકરની અંદર જે રીતે સેફ છે તેવી જ રીતે જગદીશ પાર્કની અંદર તમારું રોકાણ કરશો તો તમારું રોકાણ છે તેવી જ રીતે બેંકના લોકરની જેમ સેફ જ રહેશે તેવી હું ખાતરી આપું છું. અને રાજકોટ અને આજુબાજુના તમામ લોકોને જગદીશ પાર્કની અંદર તેમનું રોકાણ થાય તેનું ભાવભીનું નિમંત્રણ આપું છું.
Jagdish Park invites you to make your lower budget investment fulfilling your bigger dreams. Welcome.